So I'm going to be doing the term 1, level 1. Now it's our razzle dazzle class time. And then we'll be doing this practice book and few worksheets that have been given. They are very interesting. They are very easy to go with. Not very heavy on the child since it's the starter.
This is Zing.
Zing. Oh, okay. Oh, you've seen Purple Turtle shows? Do you like them?
Yeah.
He's Zing from Purple Turtle show.
Yeah, I know. Purple Turtle and I know it.
Okay, and this is a hand print flower tulip. Then we'll be doing this. Now that he knows how to write. So this is coloring fun. And this is count and color. So this is what we have started with. He's written all the alphabets. So for parents who want to know what is Razzle Dazzle, it's just a name given by me. It's a class that I hold for him every day for about 1.5 hours. It can be either before lunch or after lunch depending on how occupied I am. And during this time I try to cover like writing, reading, painting, dancing and exercise. So basically what you would do in a school. So we've been doing this from about 6-7 months and we've been enjoying it, and he enjoys it more than anything. So that's like a win-win situation for me because I love spending time with him. And so right now for today's Razzle Dazzle we have chosen Purple Turtle activity books and we will be doing them. So yes, so like I keep saying to all the parents, find a time, find a pocket of time where you are, you know, mentally free and you're done with your house chores. It can either be just a Saturday, Sunday. For working parents you can just find like a half an hour, 15 minutes wherein you're just sitting with your child and writing. So yes, I'm going to show you what we've done today. Also in a previous video I had posted that during our Razzle Dazzle class I had just posted puzzles for him and we had only done that. So it could be anything that you want to do and it's interesting. And I'm the teacher, he's the student. Yes, I am.
All these books, man. First thing is this.
He's always there, no? Purple Turtle is always there.
In the book, see?
Cool, no? He's so cute.
He's always there and out
So this is our situation right now. Alright, let's get started. So this I had given for him for Christmas because he was really fond of the PJ Mask team and he still is. So there is everybody in this. So there
and there, Gecko is a mobile. He has a mobile and he can bound walls and he can disappear.
He can disappear, really. So we have Owlet, and this we have Catboy, and I like the quality of the crayons. So yes, they do a lot of customization in terms of your crayon box.
And this is Jet.
Okay. So they do a lot of customizations in terms of your crayon boxes, your writing pad, your books, and quite a lot of things. So do check it out. And yes, we are about to start.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Thank you. Next, this is also done. This one.
1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
You are right. Now this one.
5.
Very good.
Now 3, 5, 6, 6.
So this is a worksheet that he has finished, and as a reward I always give him very good and a star when he's done it, like how you would do it in a school. So yes, this is the worksheet. Thank you. So we are going to get, this is correct, 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 correct. So very good. And a star.
Can you give me a pointy star?
Pointy star. What's a pointy star? I can give you this. See, I'll make you a star. Okay, and I'll make bunny. Make a butterfly. Ta-da! Come on, next page, please.
Which one?
Giving you a water break. Color. It is color the sweets that you like, and you've colored all of it. Smarty pants.
I like all of these sweets.
Now we are doing hand painting. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Remove it. Wow, this is so cool.
I want to do it against that.
Alright. Ouch. Now comes the another exciting part is this talking pen. So we're going to be using it now. Ta-da! So we'll start with
This
this
is the
first.
magic pen.
So this we are doing is level 1. Okay, it says
And
preschool
all the
thinker
level
term
ones.
1. Yes. So wherever you see this sign, Ayan, that's when we can use it. Say for example, does it have it here?
No.
No, right? So we don't use it here. We have it in this book. Alright, and there are a lot of graded books. So we have this full set that's graded readers and talking pen. But for now we're doing this. Yeah, that's a practice book. That's when you have to use it yourself. Yes, we'll do this tomorrow. Okay? Did you switch on the pen?
Let's have fun learning Purple Turtle. Preschool fingers. Level 1.
Perfect.
I started.
You did scan? Very good. Now let's turn the page. So what we have in
Ambulance. And.
What?
and
Aeroplane.
Aeroplane.
Apple.
Apple.
Bee.
Bee.
Boat.
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 and we are ending our Purple Turtle class with a video. Yes, and you said piche ho jo.
Of course you can. I listen the most to you. Melody, your job is to find Purple Turtle and invite him to come to...
So we finished the class for the day, and now he's finishing the school, like the Razzle Dazzle, by watching a Purple Turtle edutainment series. So honestly parents, I have been thoroughly enjoying Purple Turtle for various reasons. It has a talking pen which is a USB, and it's really interesting. Secondly, they have a lot of videos that they have put in their website once you enroll them, and they have made it very easy, very interesting, very colorful and bright for a child to enjoy it. As you saw, Ayan did all the activities that I had made him do today. So I would always recommend and suggest that if you haven't enrolled your child in any school, or if you haven't enrolled your child in any activity program, or if you haven't bought any boxes, then I would give my top priority to Purple Turtle. It creates an entire ambience of a school, of the learning techniques, makes it very interesting. The parents are happy because the child is learning. Because at the end of the day, we want our kids to learn, and learn in a way that they say, you know, ki we want more. They're hungry for more, and not say ki, you know what, I don't want to do it. So I was about to finish the Razzle Dazzle. Ayan goes like, no, I want to do it more because I like doing it. Because he finds it that I'm sitting with him, and it's just him and me doing the Razzle Dazzle class. So yes, find something interesting like that. Give it a name to the class that you're doing with your child. Make it fun, make it interesting. Also give some colors, give some books, give them a reward. I just gave Ayan a chocolate gold coin for being a very good student in my class. So yes, thank you so much for watching the video. If you have any comments, if you have any suggestions, if you have any query regarding Purple Turtle, do let me know in the comment section. Also, if you use my code, that's Ekta, the code is out here, do use it and get a 5% discount at the end of your checkout bill. So take care, stay safe, bye bye.